Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. I am Nikita and today I speak about my daily routine of 75-day heart challenge, and this is my day 5 video. First of all, I learn 5 new words, then I present awe means why, bravery, bahaduri, brilliance, krurta, sanity, vivek, evil, burai. This is my 5 new word. After that, 9 a.m. In 10 minutes, I listen speaker speech and copy it. Then 11 a.m. 5 minutes, I read newspaper and current affairs. Then 12:30 p.m. I join live session. At least half minute, and I learn each, are, am, was, where, will, when will we use. Okay, uh, tha, thi, the, was, were used, and ga, ge, gi, you use, will, shall, hey, you use, is, are, who, am. Okay, when you can use, then ability. Okay, then ability present you can use. For example, I can study. That's some topic I learn during a live session. After that, 4:30 English conversation with myself, and 5:30 listen English podcast on YouTube. Then after that 6:30 in 5 new sentence, translate Hindi to English. After that 7:30 in front of mirror, I speak loudly for correct my pronunciation good. After that 8 I record this video, and um, I have completed 75 minutes of 75-day heart challenge. Thank you for watching my video. Tata, take care.